Today guys, I show you how to create Google Meet link for everyone or for your mobile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. First you need to do guys, just open your browser like me, just search for Google Meet and you will see this first Google Meet, just open it. All you need to do to create Google Meet link, you will see here new meeting. If you need to join to classroom, just paste your link here and you will see join. Go here to new meeting, click on it and you will see create meeting for later. If you choose this, you can save this for later. Click one more time here and you will see start instant meeting. Click on it. When you do this like me, you will get your link here like me to share with your friends or for meetings or for classrooms. To add people, go here add others, click on it and add here people by name or email. If you can't find Google Meet link, just go here on this info and you will have your link here. And that's it all guys for this video, how to create Google Meet link for everyone or for your mobile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.